You work first for yourself. This is so important. Many of you, when you go to work in the morning, you go to work for your boss. Am I correct? You go into your office to work for the company. And that's why you are so sad. That's why you are so depressed. That's why you are never satisfied with any job. You have changed 8 jobs in 2 years and you're still not happy because you keep working for the company. That's your problem. Every time you show up for yourself. You show up for you. Let your boss be you. You may be working for any company. I don't need to know the name. But the attitude for work and for a productive life is that you work first for yourself. Never work first for your boss. Never work first for the company. In fact, never work first for your children. Appreciate the seasons of oblivion. The place where nobody may appreciate you. And it doesn't really matter. You know why? Because number 1, you have already learned how to work without pay. So it doesn't really matter. Number 2 now, the real person you are working for is for who? So who really needs to appreciate you? Many homes have broken because when the husband provided, he provided first for his wife and children. The reason why he's so depressed and always irritated by his wife is that he thinks he's giving too much for his wife. And what am I getting back in return? If he had come for this class, he would have been delivered. Because you understand that whatever you do for your family, you do first for yourself. Anything you give to your children, to your wife, to your father, to your mother, do it first for yourself. If you do so, nobody can depress you out of doing good. Because you have the capacity to appreciate yourself and to value your actions every single time and anytime you please. Because you are working first for yourself. And when you work for yourself, you want to be a fair boss. Are you following me now? So if you're a fair boss, number 1, you will rate your work. So because you are working for yourself does not mean you should give a pass mark to everything you do. Several years ago, we did a job in Guaripa, a renovation work. And when the job was done, I paid a visit to the site. And I saw some things that my guys had done that I didn't like it. The owner of the house, a big man, came and said, "Wow, this is beautiful. I like what you guys did." I said, "Sir, I don't like it." He said, No. Apeh, no, this is... I said, "No, sir, I don't like it. They will remove it tomorrow." He said, No, leave it. I said, Because I am working for myself first. As far as I am concerned, I've rated this work. It's not to my standard. It is to his standard, the payer. But you see that my attitude is not an attitude of a job seeker. Because if I'm a job seeker, I should be satisfied that the one who is paying for me to do the job likes the job. But I'm working first for myself. I say, "Sir, this thing, it will come down. And number 2, it will come down at our expense. 1 naira we don't need from you, but this thing will be changed tomorrow." And that has happened many times. Many times. Sometimes even my guys are surprised. Because they are on site with the client before I even get there. And they say, hey, wow, beautiful. Then I'll just come. What nonsense is this? And they'll be, "Hey, this madman has come again. The man that owns the house likes this work. Why can't you just appreciate?" I said, "No, take it down and do it again. Because I must rate myself first." But it's not enough to rate yourself. You must also reward yourself. So some of you, all you do is rate yourself. So you always run yourself down. Every single thing you do is never good enough for yourself. Everybody else sees the good in all you do. You are the only one who thinks that you are behind. So as you rate yourself, the last point there is that you learn to also reward yourself. You must also learn to have an eye that appreciates the work that you have done for yourself. Is that okay?